Okay, so guys, we have completed linear equations. So now it's your responsibility to do extra practice from home. Right? When you are doing practice, if you are coming across any issues, any question you are getting stuck, please paste it in the group. If I am not available at that time, one of your friends can reply for that. But don't make it a discussion forum. One question, if you know the answer, paste it. If you don't know, leave it. Whenever I'm free, I will record a small video or something and send it out. But please do that, because even if two kids are sending questions, two questions we are getting, right? So please practice very nicely from home. 3 chapters are over. We will come back to these 3 chapters after 2 weeks, like near to your exams. Okay, we don't want to do revision now itself. It will not be of much use. So we are going to start with another chapter today called as statistics. So till now, till grade 9, whatever stats you have done is gone. Okay, now we are going to learn the detailed statistics. You are actually stepping into the world of statistics now. When you go to 11th grade, it's going to get even more deeper. Okay, so as you are aware of the fact that statistics is a branch of maths, like trigonometry is a branch, isn't it? Arithmetic is a branch, algebra is a branch. Just like that, statistics is also a very important branch of maths. Do you watch matches, cricket or anything?
Yeah.
So do you see this forecasting? Today this team is going to win, or tomorrow that team is going to win, this guy is going to perform better, and things like that. It's prediction. Actually, it's called as, it's also depended upon analysis. They just don't look at the players and say this team is going to perform. They have a solid data. Depending on the data they are talking. So whatever predictive analysis, whatever forecasting they are doing, or anything they say, that is backed by a proper solid data. They have some data to analyze. Only after that they say, okay, today Mumbai is going to perform really well, because they will be collecting the data, looking at the pitches, the climate, the number of players who are playing, the opponent. Based on all this data accumulated, the analysis is performed, and then they come up with their prediction. Okay, even if you look at your forecasting, weather forecasting, is it going to rain, is it going to be sunny, it's all a part of analysis. Even for your, now you have your web analytics, you have data analytics, you have data science. It's a what you say, very wide area, so much to learn. Data modeling, statistics kids do MS in statistics and all, only taking statistics and going. So statistics is not something that we have done till now, like your pictogram or pictograph or your tally and all those things. Okay, statistics is much beyond that. So today what we will be going to do is, we are going to start with mean. Okay, and you are familiar with median and the term called as mode. These are the 3 main things that we are going to learn in this chapter. Now mean is what?
And sports betting is 10 seconds sports down.
Yeah, people do that. Even when you take a lottery, people do an data analysis, and then they say which lottery is going to hit jackpot and all. Simply nobody will pick up the lottery. So everywhere it is there. Even when you look at, even just when you watch your TV, even when you watch TV, which commercial sits in which particular serial, you know, that all depended upon that. What strategies has to be made so that viewers watch this particular serial. Everything is based on analytics only. Okay, just like that, we don't say that the hero is good, so this is going to pick up. No. They have the data recording, like how much viewership is watching in this particular minute. Minute by minute analysis happens. Okay, so now mean, we have, what is the meaning of mean? Mean is your average. So we will be learning three different type of methods to find out mean. Direct method, shortcut method, and step deviation method. Oh, they started it in school? These are the three methods, okay, that we are going to learn. In this, one of the methods is deleted. Yeah, but I will teach you all three. Okay, they say step deviation method is deleted, but we will learn all three methods because see, direct method is, as the name suggests, direct. But when the numbers become huge, you know, multiplication, addition, subtraction, everything become a challenge. At that time, to make the numbers little smaller, we go to shortcut method. From here again, if you want to make it little more smaller, we go to step deviation method. So these are the three methods for mean. Then we have one method for median and one method for mode. Okay, pretty easy, not at all challenging. Now, when I said mean means average, if my data is x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, like that it goes till xn. How do I find average?
Sum of observations by
number of observations.
Exactly. Sum of observations by number of observations. Correct? So here what is sum of observations? x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4, and it goes on till xn, divided by how many observations are there? N. Correct? So that is how you do it. So what we will do for that? Sigma. What do you mean by sigma? It's not cool. Sigma means auto sum or sum total, summation. Sum of xi, where I is equal to 1 to n, divided by n. This is the formula to find mean. Okay, I will,
Could you repeat the formula?
Sigma means sum of. Have you guys done Excel? In Excel, the formulas, there is sigma, right?
sigma alpha.
So, it's what? Sigma, how do we say this? I'm going to write it again. Sigma xi, where I is equal to 1 till n. I is equal to 1 till n, divided by n. This 1,
Yes,
What is that big symbol like? Is that
that is sigma. That tells you sum of x of I. That means sum of x1, x2, x3, x4 till xn. So I starts from 1, it goes on till n. That is the meaning of this.
why is the I equal to 1 below sigma and why is the n above it?
Yeah, I equal to 1 to n.
2n.
Yeah, 1 to n.
Oh, it goes
All of this, x1, x2, x3, x4. So, are you familiar with C, C++?
What? C++?
Are you familiar with arrays?
No, I don't know.
Okay. So, it's like, you're not done looping. So, I is equal to 1, where I say xi, suppose xi. So, here my xi is equal to x1. Xi plus 1, that means 2. Xi plus 3, that means x3. So, all of them are calculated. That is why this is shown like this. Sigma, sum of x of I That means 1, 2, 3, 4, all of them. Huh? All of them. Sigma xi, where I is equal to 1 till n divided by n.
So that's the average.
That is equal to mean.
So xi is this sum.
Xi, actually they are just, instead of this, it's just this one. Xi plus x2 plus x3 like that till n.
Okay.
So that is what this. So I, instead of writing this, you don't know how many values are right. You cannot write all of them. Instead, you are just using a variable x of I. Here I is equal to 1 till n.
It goes till
Can you
end.
explain why you put n on top of it, the sigma, and like a
It's the format.
That's the format.
Yeah.
Okay, so what is it so that?
We have to. This is not the formula that you are going to learn.
Atishi, you don't
This
understand?
is, I'm telling you how it is. Okay? So now we are going to,
Atishi, you said you don't understand.
wait. Yeah.
Okay, what's I?
I is like the x1 plus x2 plus x3.
Find.
So we are going to use
Which one?
direct method.
Okay, what's direct method?
Yeah.
It reminds me of the first chapter.
Hmm? X is the here find the mean of the following distribution.
That's F.
This is F and this is X. Always make a vertical table. So X 4, 6, 9,
9, 10.
10, 15. And then comes next column F.
Okay.
F is 5, 10, 10, 7 and 8.
Now could you scroll down?
What do you mean by frequency? Exactly. The amount of time something happens, something occurs. So F is 4 is the data and it happens 5 times. Right? 6 is the data, it happens 10 times. So how many observations are there?
Oh, X is the observation and no.
4 is the value. Suppose if it is the marks. Suppose X is representing marks. Okay. So 4 marks is achieved by 5 kids in a class. In a class, 5 kids are getting 4 marks. 10 kids are getting 6 marks. So how many kids are there?
25.
So total 25.
Ma'am, so it's like, what is X equal to? X is number of observations?
It is 40. There are 40 kids.
Now what's X basically? X is sum of observations or not? X is sum of observations?
No, wait. Let me explain. X is marks. Okay? X is marks. 4 marks is achieved by 5 kids. 6 marks is achieved by 10 kids. 9 marks by 10 kids. So total number of observations are for how many kids I am storing the data? I am storing the data for 40 kids, right? So Fi, so sum of Fi is 40. That means what? There are 40 observations. How many observations? 40 observations. Huh? N equal to 40. Now, see guys, here this is grouped data if you understand, right? Because 5 kids are getting 4 marks, right? So how many marks is in total? 20, right? 4 into 5. So that is Fi Xi. Fi Xi. So this column is 20, this is 60, this is 90, 70 and 15 into 8, 120. Correct? That is Fi Xi. Now based on this, what is your mean? Mean is equal to sigma Fi Xi divided by sigma Fi. That's it. So sum of this column. How much is the sum of that column?
This column will be
360.
190, 360.
Right? So your mean is nothing but 360 divided by 40, which is 9. Mean is 9. Yeah.
Ma'am, can you just explain what XI and FI was again?
Fi is frequency and Xi is marks. Shh. Ibrahim, did you get it?
Oh, that guy.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Guys, did you get it? Enough. Guys, please do this question now, all of you. If mean of the following is 6, find P. Find P. So you are finding a missing frequency now. Okay? Be careful. So what is given to you? Mean is given to you already. Mean is already given to you. So this is the data. After the question, make your table properly. If you want, switch on AC, okay guys?
No. Yes. No, I like. All of you guys get fever. Voting, guys.
Two.
So suppose you write like this.
So make your table properly.
That is the sum, yeah? And this? And with the sum, yeah?
What?
Of FI.
You got Xi, you got Fi.
Have to do sum of FI.
Wait, yeah. What is the next step, guys?
11.
Then what is the next step?
XI, FI.
Exactly.
So 6,
Hmm.
8,
Hmm.
10.
Hmm.
What do you do? P plus 10. P plus 10.
Is it 2p plus 10 or 2p plus 5?
Ma'am, why do you put 2 by 11?
No, 11 is the total sum of it.
Oh, okay.
Formula is
So 2 into p plus 5. Always do like this, guys. So it has to be 2p plus 10. Okay?
sigma FI. So mean is already given.
Yeah.
6 is equal to. Oh no, I'm doing this.
Mean is equal to sigma fi xi by sigma fi. So what is sigma fi xi?
Isn't mean given?
Mean is given, yeah.
So 6 is equal to.
Yeah.
No, not to multiply all this.
Multiply.
Add.
Add.
10. 14. 14 plus 18. 32. 42, 42.
P. Let us see. What is your
Is it 2 plus 52?
very good?
Ma'am, is P7?
Very good. Yes. 2p plus 52. The sum of xi fi is 2p plus 52. Did you all get that?
Yeah.
So mean was how much?
6.
6. 6 is equal to 2p plus 52 divided by 11. So what is it? 66 minus 52 equal to 2p. So what is p equal to? 14 by 2, which is 7. Sigma fi is 11. You have calculated here.
So P is 7.
Huh?
No, it's by 11 because Fi is.
Wait, what is he saying?
He's saying he's saying why isn't it 2p plus 52 plus 11?
Y plus 11. Sigma fi xi is this column. Fi xi. You multiply and make. Are you all clear? So we will do next question now. No help. Please do this fast. Find P. Find P if mean is 7.5. Here x is 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 and Fi is 6, 8, 15, P, 8 and 4. Please do your work fast. Data is given. It might be horizontal. Better to convert it into vertical. Don't end up doing any mistakes. Calculation is the only thing which goes wrong here. Please do calculation properly.
So xi is x 1 plus x 2.
What's 40 plus 105?
Xi is basically observation.
Xi is the data for the observation, like if it's like marks or sale, whatever is happening. Fi is the frequency.
Okay, so like how many people got this? Then xi is
That's, it's like, you know, if I am finding out, okay, in your class 2 kids got 2 marks, 5 kids got 2 out of 10, 6 kids got 1 out of 10, 3 kids got 10 out of 10. If I ask you to find average, how will you find the average?
So mean is
xi.
How will you find? You just tell me from your understanding. Yeah, what is your observations and how do you find it?
So observations is 2, 1, 10, 5, 6.
Can you cut 2
Wait, no, you can never cut that.
because you get 49p and
Huh? 5 kids, 5 students got 2 marks. 6 students, wait, 6 students got 1 mark. 3 students got 10 mark. So what is the average mark in your class?
13.
Why?
No, 13 by 3.
Why?
Because that's the average form.
But then this 5 kids have got 2 marks. That is the 5 different kids, right?
Ma'am, it's 7.5, right?
Yeah. First kid is getting 2, second kid is also getting 2, third is getting 2, fourth is getting 2, fifth is getting 2. So this itself is 10 marks. So this is 10. This is 6. This is 30. So I have to find out 46 by what is the number of students,
Okay.
right? So how much is it?
46 by
3.
So that is the, if you divide, that is the average score of your class. Understand? So when there is grouping like this, you directly cannot add xi and divide by fi. You will never get the correct answer. It was there in 9th grade also. So you need to do fi xi. Multiply this. Then you are framing the new equation. Only then you will get the correct answer.
you have to multiply 6 into 3.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, so that's the total number. Okay, I got it.
41.
41 plus 3.
I got 296. I got 307.5 and 294. I got 294.
What is your fi, sum of fi?
What's X? X
41 plus p.
294.
Oh, that is
Hmm.
I think you're missing.
No, I multiplied it. I'll never added now. 40 plus 105 plus 9 plus 88 plus 52.
Is it minus 6?
Oh, I missed a number. I missed a number.
Huh? Minus? No dear. What happened to calculation? Mean is equal to 303 plus 9p divided by 41 plus p.
Ma'am, is it 0.3?
Huh?
0.3. Calculators are not
Calculators are not allowed.
Why?
So you multiply this 7.5 into 41 plus p equal to 303 plus 9p. So 7.5 into 41, how much is it?
307.5.
30?
7.5. I know he used the calculator. No, I didn't use a calculator.
Multiplication, right?
I got 0.5.
Plus 7.5p equal to 3. So now you will convert the like terms.
Minus
I made a mistake. I messed up the whole thing.
equals 9p minus 7.5p.
Hmm.
So 4.5 equals 1.5.
Ma'am, I got 0.56.
Wait, something is wrong. So here
1.5. No,
1.5.
1.5p.
Ma'am, so p is 0.3.
kids, I'll give you nicely now.
How is 0.3?
P is equal to 4.5 by 1.5. Numerator and denominator, the decimal is coming at the same position. So, if you want, you can make what?
450 by 1.9.
Into 10 by 15 into 10. So this both gets cut. Isn't it 3 equal to P? Where is your decimal coming?
Ma'am, how do you get 3?
4.5 by 1.5. How will you remove the decimal? 45 by 10, right? And this one will be 15 by 10, correct? So it will be 3, right?
Ma'am, by 10 or into 10?
You can do into 10 also, because if you observe, both of them are like after decimal only one digit is there. So you can just remove it like that.
Yeah, okay.
Is it clear to everybody? Next question, I don't want any mistake.
I can just go back up and copy.
Important class.
We have to go normally today.
Yeah, Vishal can come early. Why? He came early because he
You have to tell the correct timing.
It's 5:30.
I said that once.
Mean is 1.46. So number of accidents is one column.
Accidents?
Swara, next time onwards, either you come in the morning shift, you cannot miss the class like this.
The first one is zero. Can I come in the morning shift?
7 a.m.
Yeah, I want to do.
Loki and I want to come. Is everyone like dead in the morning?
Our batch is disastrous.
Is everyone active or sleeping?
They're very active. They're hyperactive.
Oh, it's 7.
Morning batch is mess. Don't come. Seriously. You will not get anything.
Mom, please, mom, let me come on.
Can we just do the second batch a bit early? Like after the morning batch or something?
She. Why is there a mysterious sign?
That is unknown.
Yeah. Unknown basically. 4.6, yeah?
So you can just say
Is it
it
46
as
or 4.6?
46. Okay, this one 1.46.
Oh, that. Okay. The other one is missing as well. Then 25.
Two frequencies are missing. You can term them as F1 and F2.
She's
200.
Yeah, 200 they have given you. So let me know what is the difference.
F5 and then 46.
Try to do it here only.
Yeah, you're right. But 46.
X plus Y.
So
46 into 0?
Oh,
I'm gonna take the missing spaces as 2x. Is that fine?
What, Ibrahim?
I take the missing spaces as x and y.
X, no, yeah, you can take X and Y, no issues.
Okay, ma'am.
Equal to 114. Ah. अच्छे दो.
He's singing.
I have to add this. F2 into 2.
F1 and F2.
XI,
F2 into 2 60 plus 7.
Think you will get it. So you have another column here.
The total is 200.
640 something.
Let him comments and see.
640 plus FY.
What is your values coming for Fi, Xi? Atishay, what's the value coming for Fi, Xi column?
0, F1 to F2, 25, 40, 25.
It'll be F4 not to F2. I think.
No, bro, that's still F2.
Next.
75, 40, and 25.
45?
No, 40 and 25.
Mom, can you just take X?
God.
Huh?
Can you just take X?
Okay.
A and B.
2x2, 2y2 and x1. 2y2. 2y2. Okay.
2, why 2? Why?
Ma'am, can you put A and B instead of X and Y?
2y is correct.
X already.
Where?
Six one
Oh,
plus
xi.
Accident.
So 75 plus 40 plus
Because already this is x now, that's why.
140. Is it 140 something?
I got two equations, but then they both are x plus y and they equal to
What?
different.
Okay, wait.
And do you use linear equations in this?
Exactly, Ibrahim.
Okay, ma'am, then I
Yeah.
almost there. Almost done.
I got the two equations, but then
I
I got x plus y equal to 114 and x plus y equal to 151.
Let me just check. What is the sum of fi xi?
114 plus f1 plus
x1 plus 2y.
140.
So 146 is equal to 140.
But they have given you 200 here. But what is the sum otherwise?
Why did you take it as 2b?
Can you just cut 140? You can't cut addition.
Wha-
Why did you take it as 2b?
No, because I did not take it x and y. I took it as a and b.
Isn't it 200 a plus b?
Huh?
200 a plus b.
No. What is the sum of frequency? This one. What is the sum?
Is 86.
86 plus a plus b, right?
Yeah, that's
Okay. So using that, can I say 86 plus a plus b is equal to 200? So a plus b is equal to, how much is it? That is your first equation. Right? Now we come here and
And I got x equal to 180 and y equal to 20.
Okay, Ibrahim, come.
no, something is wrong, Ibrahim. See, Jaggi, you need to add all of them. You know, so A and B cannot be added. So they come like this and the rest is 86. But the entire thing, if A and B was there, it is supposed to be 200. That's why you will equate it to 200 and you get a equation.
Thanks.
Yeah, mean is equal to 140 plus A plus 2B divided by 200. We will take 200.
Take it to the other side and cancel out the decimals.
So what is the next?
Isn't it give 1.46?
Huh.
So 1.46 is equal to 140 plus a plus 2b.
2?
are 200. So can just take a plus 2b to the other side. Oh shit. I swear.
So what is happening? 292 minus 140. How much is it? So we got our second equation also. This is the second equation. Exactly. Now you will use your linear equation. Huh? Yeah, this has to be 5 marker. And seriously speaking, it's very easy 5 mark. Atisha and Safir don't sit together. Safir, you sit there. Shada, you sit in the center.
As you can see, that's why I don't sit there.
Get up. Mala, sit there. So now you will subtract, right?
Ma'am,
So B is equal to how much? B is equal to? How much is it? 38. So your B is 38.
So a after this b is subtract. Put any equation.
Yeah.
So a plus 38 is equal to 1.
1, 4.
A is equal to 114 minus 38
Yeah.
is to be.
What is F? What is F2 equal to?
F2 I got 38.
70, no, what?
Huh.
76?
Can
76.
you go up
Yes.
a bit?
Huh?
Can you go up a bit?
Yeah.
Ma'am, they're so quiet now. They're sitting separately.
Substitute on it. Where is your
They're so quiet now. They're sitting separately.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Important questions these are. One question definitely comes where the frequencies are missing. So here two frequencies are missing, and it makes this question very important. Okay?
74.
And this chapter's weightage is also pretty high.
What? This is the what method?
This is statistics, I think 11 marks or something.
What method is this? What's the method called?
Half yearly, it will be too high.
Direct method. This is the direct method?
Yeah.
Write it down then.
Huh?
What's the highest? Like technology?
No, absolutely not.
27.
No, this is nothing in compared to this. This is
I love polygon.
F1 is 76.
What's the highest weightage? What's that chapter?
These chapters, yeah, statistics, surface area, volume, triangles.
Are there new formulas in surface area also?
Yeah, no, no.
Oh, that's easy.
Surface area is easy. Do you remember it?
Guys, are we done? Clear? Can I move to the next method? We are still finding mean only. We are still finding mean only. I am just going to the new method, which is shortcut method. Exactly. Yeah, you switch on the AC. I will do one question, shortcut method. Please observe carefully, and after that you guys will do. Okay.
Wait, the sigma one was the direct method.
That is done. Direct is done.
Sigma for every method. No, actually.
See guys, this table, this data shows the height, weight of 12 students. Okay.
Wait, this one is sigma fi di by sigma.
Okay, Nitin.
No, wait, I have a doubt with this one.
So that's your table. You have to find the mean using shortcut method. So here my xi 67. Atishay, this is getting recorded just in case your mom gets to listen to this. 70, 72, 73, 75, 4, 3,
What's that?
2,
Weight of
2,
12 students.
1. Okay, this is the data which is given to you. Huh? So now what we will have to do, see guys, this in shortcut method, a new variable is introduced which is called as assumed mean. What are we finding? We are finding mean in the question. So mean of what? You are finding mean of weight, isn't it? Yeah. So that is why you will find the mean from this column. You have to assume a mean. So I will take 72 as the mean because 72 is coming in the middle. So I'll take 72. It's okay because it is odd count. If it was even count, what I would do? No, I can take any. I can take 72 or 73. I would take 73 because if it's a greater number, it will become even more easier. No, you can take any one of them. Whichever is coming in the middle, your value will be same. Answer will be same. So my assumed mean is 72. So what do I do? My next step is di equal to xi minus a. xi minus a. So what is it? 67 minus 72. How much is it? A is assumed mean. Assumed
Ma'am, what does
You
DI
just take a random
stand
number
for?
into it.
assumed mean is equal to 72.
So you just take a random one.
Not random.
How do you
Ma'am, what
oh,
does
that's
DI
fine.
stand for?
Di is just like your xi, fi. Di is another variable.
Oh, okay.
Di is another variable.
Because that's the middle one.
That's what I said. You are assuming a mean here. So from this data, the center one is assumed to be the mean. So I'm taking 72 as the assumed mean. So 67 minus 72 is minus 5. 70 minus 72, that is negative 2. You get 72 minus 72, that is 0. 73 minus 72, that is 1. 75 minus 72, that is. So I got my assumed, now I got what? Instead of xi, I will be using this column. Understand? I will not be using xi. Now I will be using di into fi or fi di. Yeah, these two I will multiply. 4 into minus 5, minus 20, minus 6, 0,
So you just betray
2 and 3. Right?
Yeah, how do you short
It is shortcut because see, these numbers are small. These numbers are small. You're okay. Suppose it was 3, 4, 5. You know, you will get big numbers. So at that time, calculation will become very tricky. So see, you made 67 into 4, which would have been what? 2 minus 20. Understand? You are making the calculation easy. So now sum of all of them. What is the sum of all of them? 5 minus 6 and 5 minus 1 minus minus
20 minus 6
21.
plus 5. Yeah, so
Minus 21. And what is fi? We already got the
12.
information. They said 12 students. So that is 12. So here the formula changes a bit. What is the formula? Mean is equal to
No, di
summation fi di by summation.
Wait, di by fi.
but your assumed mean has to be added.
Ma'am, the first method is easier.
Subtracted here.
What is this?
How what?
We subtracted the assumed mean in the beginning. Now we are just adding it towards the end.
So minus 21 by
Ma'am, so then we can assume
12.
It has to be in the middle. You can't assume it as anything else.
How do you divide
Mean is
minus 21
average.
by 12?
Average always comes in the center.
I think.
So if you assume it as something else, would it be different?
Yeah,
Oh.
no, it has to be close to the actual.
yeah, it has to be close.
Plus 7.
Assume mean was 72.
It's not in the So 12. Can you divide 12 and 70?
By 12. Okay. 21 by 12 I can simplify. 7 by 4. Right? I can simplify it now.
We can multiply some.
Oh yeah.
8.
72 plus minus 21 by 12. So can you cut 12 and 72?
Hmm?
Can you cut 12 and 72?
You can never cut. There is a plus sign.
Oh yeah, no. Oh, yeah, normally can you?
No. You can only simplify this fraction.
So then LCM will be 4. 72 into 4 is 288 minus 7. 281 by 4, which you cannot cut. I think.
Guys, just look here. Lot of kids make mistake in division. 281 divided by 4. 4 sevens are?
28.
Now comes 1. No, you should not put decimal. Because this is part of this, right? 1 is part of it. It's not a remainder. You brought it down. So 4 zeros are 0. After that 1 comes here, it's remainder. Then you will put decimal, you will give a 0, and 4 twos are 8.
2.
And then 5s are 20. This is how you do division.
Oh yeah, ma'am, that makes sense.
Yeah.
Ma'am, the call's about to end.
Yeah. So your answer is 70.25.
If there's like small numbers we use direct and
You like civilly retarded.
But you should know all the methods. Huh? Yeah. Statistics is very important, and here basically your calculation is taken into consideration, how well you calculate. Yeah.
So ma'am, this you don't always work, so it will something specific condition.
No, it will always work. So, it's not that difficult, right? Can anybody tell me the formula for shortcut method?
Sigma Fi. Who Di?
The last one, which was step deviation, we just have plus step here.
I'm not ready, Matthew. Now will they ask you to do the specific method? Solved by shortcut method. So you have to learn all
What?
5 methods.
The shortcut methods that and that.
You have to
All
learn.
the methods are there.
We have to learn 5 formulas.
Is it clear? So I'm going to give you next question. Please do it, huh? What?
You said it's deleted, so if we use it in the exam.
Yeah.
Step deviation is deleted.
Oh, okay, now.
That's like the first and the most important method. You forget that.
I think we have 4.
Is it clear? So I'm going to the next question, guys. Please do it. Okay. So your question is division. Please don't make this kind of mistake. You should know. When it is part of the question, it's not remainder. 1 was part of the question. That's why you have to divide it. So 4 into 0 is only something which is less than that. Then when 1 comes as a remainder, then you put decimal and continue.
Is this division only for this lesson?
No, this is for everything. Kids make so many mistakes with division, decimal and 0 putting. That's why I just clarified.
Like, the division I've been doing was wrong at that time.
No, actually,
And
good morning. It's good.
Yeah, I went to
Addition.
but I still got it right.
We crossed. We crossed in my tag.
How do you do it every day?
Ma'am.
I think you should come late.
Yeah?
Please check all these back.
Right?
Because he has my clocks.
We won't have to.
Take it off. Take it off.
I think he wants to see.
Catch. Check his bag.
He doesn't have.
Check mine.
I checked his bag.
Check mine.
Okay, enough, guys.
Behind the sofa.
How can you scroll down?
Are you touching my bag?
How can you like scroll down?
Just do it.
How can you do that?
I will. 1 minute.
I saw your props in the lift.
With the lid. Oh,
I put it drop.
It's in the lid.
No, I saw it in the lift. Yeah, actually, I saw it.
Why did you kick that off?
Guys,
Oh, she's supposed to go with yours, like. Oh, someone's gonna steal it.
No, bro, I was joking.
guys, please do the question.
What the hell is it? Thank God we have nothing to do with X.
Do this fast.
Do next question. Find the mean.
Hmm? 19. 8, 16, 19.
Oh,
Addition with the scale. The one you ran to the parking lot. You got so scared.
Shut up and do.
You thought the scale would use
I thought you were a smart boy, Abhishek. You were so stupid.
X1 minus A is the formula. Yeah.
That is how you will get minus. In the beginning, you have to get negative values.
Mom, we have to do the shortcut.
So, this is the assumed is going to be 900 and then xi minus 100. So, this is going to be 800 minus 900.
No.
Yeah,
It's always x minus a.
yeah, so x is 800, 900
Acha, 800 minus 900.
minus 100. Then 820 minus.
But do the calculations yourself, no discussion. Safi, can you please concentrate?
I swear he talks to
why
me.
was I adding the wages? Oh, God.
0, this thing, 920 minus 900, 20. 980 minus 900, 80. 1000 minus 900. Okay, now I have to do one more. FI, FIDI.
Very good. Don't change, make it y. I will make it f5 always. That's all right.
I'll do this. So I have to do 7 into minus 100, 14 into that.
Avneeta, you're able to follow? You're sitting far, that's why, huh?
It's like into here. To multiply this and this, okay? Then 14.
Is it 100?
What? Huh?
F5.
Oh, you have to add
yeah.
FI, sorry. It's 100, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, and then it's 14 into 4.
What am I finding? Which, okay, we're doing the shortcut method. Or can I do anything?
Shortcut method.
Like 800 with 7.
Speed up, speed up.
No, you don't have to multiply 807.
Yeah, you like, then what, how you gonna find the meaning of that?
FIDI. I think. Yeah, you're really wrong.
Then we don't have to.
I hate this. What's 19 into 40? I hate this. This question will be 5 marks, yeah? It's not worth 5 bucks. It's worth more than 19 into 4 is 720. Minus 720. 25 into minus 0 is going to be 0.
What, Atishay? Full copying, huh? Do yourself.
Yeah.
Mom is copying from you.
You were copying from me.
Huh?
You are one with a smart one here.
It's not my code, bro.
Naisha, just turn off the AC.
5 into 100 is 500. Now what do I do with this information? M is equal to Fi di by Fi plus A. Now to add all this, and how am I supposed to add these much numbers?
Yeah, that is why you get easy 5 marks for this, because you cannot go wrong in these questions.
700 plus 1120 plus 720 plus 400 plus 80 plus
4.4.
What do you get as FIDI total?
560.
Huh?
560.
How? Well, 14 into 80 is 1120.
And I got the average as
Yeah, so what's
889.2.
14 into minus 800?
Mom, I got 894.4.
894.4, something is wrong.
Atishay, what do you get 14 into 80?
Ma'am, is the answer 900.8?
Are you sure? Ma'am, it's.
No?
No.
Ma'am, you have to multiply this.
And is it 889.2?
So, Atishay, did you go 80? Or I did wrong? Did I copy the question wrong?
What happened? Which one are you
No,
talking
it's
about?
correct. This is correct. The FIDI minus 700, this 760. 760. I got 720. Then
Yeah.
0, then 400.
9 4 is 36.
No, it's 10. Ma'am, it's 10 into 8, not
10 into 80, right?
80. Sorry. Okay, so 800. 500. That's correct.
Ma'am, is it 891.2?
Yeah.
Huh? 314.
How did you do this, guys?
Man, I got that as minus 1080.
Ma'am, is it FI extra or FIDI?
That's wrong, huh?
Is it FI extra or FIDI?
Oh, sorry, dear.
Oh, she wrote it wrong. Yeah.
That's okay, right?
Okay, now I have to do this. I have to add
No,
all.
first I wrote FIDI and then you wrote FIXI, so I slighted and I wrote FIDI.
Ma'am, you're good at this part. Can you add it?
Hmm?
So, 800 plus 500 is going to be 1300. No. Yeah, 1300. 1700. 1700. 2820. No, it's the minus 11.
This is 13,
What do you
13,
get FIDI?
14, 15, 16, 17.
FIDI.
17.
How? Okay,
Ma'am, that's minus 880.
Huh?
That's minus 880.
Hmm.
And the number of workers is 100.
100, yeah.
thanks for doing all this.
No, wait. I'm doing it for you. Let us do this together. This is negative and negative.
Yeah.
So these two you can add. How much you are getting? 1460. This is negative. This is also negative. So how much are you getting?
Again, add.
8, 5, right?
Minus.
Now again this is negative.
Yeah.
Now add all of them. How much is
You
it?
have to okay. That is 900, 1700. 1700.
So now you are subtracting.
Minus, yeah.
So
Answer's been minus though.
minus 880. Did you understand?
Yeah.
You do this.
Is it 49560 divided by 5?
Wait. I will have to reach there. So your formula is A plus sigma, what was it, Fi di by sigma Fi. So that was easy. I don't know why you are making mistake. What is assumed mean? 900 minus 880 by 100. So how much is it? 900 minus 8.80, right? So 900 minus 8.80 means how much is it? 10 to 1. Huh? What is?
Not 9.
891.20. This is the
That's how I
mean.
got that.
891.20 is the mean.
I did like a calculation mistake. Now I did it again. Got that.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Guys, in this people do mistake in the calculation. So remember, this part gets you 2.5 marks. So this part has to be correct. If you do all this correct and you mess it up here, simply you will be losing mark. So please get your calculation straight. Okay, and these are small things that you should make sure that you know. If it is divisible by any multiple of 10, how you will convert to decimal, how you will add and subtract, and all those things. Okay. Oh, you took LCM.
What? What did you do to me? What did you do?
880 was negative.
880 was negative. Oh.
880 was negative. Are you all clear? Pakka?
Stop writing in one day. Yes,
Safir, what was the formula for that D1 method, assumed mean method? To find mean? No.
What do you call it? Yes, sigma Fix. No, A plus, like shortcut method, right? A plus, which is the assumed one, plus sigma plus dixi by, no, fixi by fi. That's what I mean.
DIFI by
Fi.
sigma Fi.
That's what I said.
Simran. Okay, sigma Fi di. Okay, fine. I will ask like this, okay?
Plus.
No, all the level equations, yes, right.
Weight of 60 workers as follows.
What is 900?
Do you have to plot any graph in this? Do you have to plot any graph?
Frequency polygon is there, but it's deleted, I think.
Another formula.
But it is plus or minus?
Plus.
You don't have
Atishi is not there in the class only. He is just, I don't know.
I noted down the wrong.
Overconfidence is not good, Atishi.
And you're recording this, right?
Yeah.
He's too concerned about his.
Don't
Chalo.
worry, Atish.
Do
You have to do
this.
kids play football also.
Do this question, please.
Is as follows find mean x f1 x1 60 61 62. It's gonna be a long one. 65 5 8 14 16
Workers.
16 10 and 7 3 4 5 6. Ma'am, it's 6. How do I get the middle out of this?
Yeah, it is 6, so you can take 62 or 63.
I take
Which
62.
one you are comfortable,
62
you
is
can
less,
take.
less, it's 2, so it's easier to multiply. Okay, and then di is xi minus a.
Mom, can I choose the medium as I can choose any.
And then
From the middle.
a is 62.
65 is in the middle?
But why is it complicated?
That it's mean. You're assuming, you're taking assumed mean.
Now we have to find the mean of x.
60 minus
Mean of
62,
xi.
61 minus 62, 62 minus 62, 63 minus 62, 64 minus 62, 65 minus 62.
Huh?
So minus 2, minus 1, 0.
There are two numbers in the center, 62 or 63. You can take either one of them.
DIFI is
So basically 5 minus 62.
minus 10,
You do 5 minus 62, 8 minus 62.
minus 8, 0, 0, 16, 20, and 21. No, I'm like half it done. Now the formula is m is equal to di by fi plus a.
Very good.
So I have to add now. I forgot. I
What?
have to
Are
add
you asking
this.
for the formula?
I don't know.
Oh,
She's asking for the formula.
she would have.
No, he.
She.
Are you sure?
Yeah, you can ask her. I was
37.
asking for the formula.
That's what he said.
37.
Wow, it kind of goes reverse. It goes minus 2,
43.
minus 1, 0, 1.
Yeah, kind of, sometimes.
53, 53, 60, basically 60. And what else do I have to add this here? This. So let's add this.
Always write it in proper order, okay? Don't do this zigzag.
Yeah, yeah.
You did not leave here, so everything will, I don't know.
It gets confusing, but I know how to do it. That's it. Nothing
Also,
else.
you took 63.
Person who's correcting, no, he will have good time.
No, because it's like I had multiplication here before. So otherwise I write neatly in the exam.
Go is 7 into 3.
Write neatly, okay? Start practicing now
41.
itself.
41, 51, 57. So 57 minus 1.
Mom, I got like 63.3.
Why do I feel like Ibrahim is in the washroom?
63.3. 63.3. Okay. Wait, okay? Just wait.
Is it 33 or is it 33?
I'm 63.35.
Okay, wait. Just wait.
33. Wait, is it mine? No, it's 33. FR will be 60 plus 6, 9 plus 62. M. So now I'm bringing this up. 33 plus 62 into 60. 12.
I don't know how to add these.
33 plus 3 plus 8.
What is the total?
Is it 3753?
Mm-hmm.
What's the answer?
Answer is not that. What assume mean did you take, guys? 62 or 63?
62.
63.
62!
If I do LC, I didn't do LCM, sorry.
Oh.
I didn't do LCM.
2. Which one?
That's my alarm roll. 3, 7.
Mom, is it 39 by 53? Please tell me. Oh, plus 8, okay. That's 5.
It's 33 by 60.
Yeah.
What's so funny is
Didn't you add this and this?
This I got 53.
Should I take 63?
No, that's not 2.
Yeah, ma'am, it's
This is carry
Now, when suppose you calculate the
It's
absolute
14.
Huh?
I'm pretty sure it's 60, but
from that, right?
5
No,
plus
you are
8
not
plus 14 plus
calculating. You are
16 plus
taking
10
the
plus 7.
middle one. So 63
It's calculated.
x 5.
62.6.
Am I retarded?
23. Yeah. 3.
Who said you said, right? What is it? 60 minus 63 minus 3
Yeah.
minus
So 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30,
Yeah.
then 40, 47, 47 plus 5 is 50,
Yeah,
50, 60.
but she will not understand anything. Minus 1,
Okay, now
0, 1 and 2.
Don't you make a second batch like after the first batch?
No.
you can divide it by 18. 3, 30, no, what?
Okay, how do you get
Yeah. Minus 15, 16, minus 14.
Now what's the final answer? Is it 1251 by 20?
Huh?
620.65.
Your answer?
What's the answer?
620.
Wait, what did you get for FI DI?
20.
Minus 21.
Minus 21.
This and this cut.
Yeah. What do you get as DIF?
Minus 21.
I got
Okay.
I got 33.
Number of workers?
I just
60.
wrong there.
So it is assumed mean 63 plus minus 21.
I added this. I added this wrong.
So it will be minus 21.
63 minus 7 by 20, right?
Right.
7 by 20.
Ma'am, can you scroll up?
Let's do LCM. 20.
Ma'am, can you also show 62?
It's the same thing.
Wait,
How is it 7 by 20?
Simplify 21 by 60.
Okay.
Huh?
Is the answer
75? No. So
1, 2, 5,
20 divided
Was it
by
the same
7.
answer?
Ma'am, you have to take
I can't even tell what I wrote.
LCM.
Not required. No, I'll just convert it into decimal.
Ma'am, is the answer 50?
Huh?
Is the answer 50?
No, no.
Now why don't you just take LCM?
1 minute.
I'm 62.65.
62 point?
65.
Yeah, that's correct.
Yes, he's right.
So 63
That will be easier if you take like
LCM.
common denominator and do it.
It's 126 by 20.
Huh?
121 by 20 is equal
120?
1 by 20.
Ma'am, can you take 6?
Achha, you took LCM.
Oh, is it LCM easier?
Why did you take
62.61.
5. Huh? What?
65.
Yeah. 62.65.
The flip?
62.65, huh?
I go wrong here. I got 30 now. Stop doing this one. You think sorry fixes things?
Yours is what? Your assumed mean is what?
62.
62. Minus 2. Minus 1. 0. 1, 2, 3. Minus 10. Minus 8. 0. 16. 20. 21.
Just staring.
Hey!
Impossible.
Wait, Nisha, what did you get? 62
Minus 18. Who took 62?
me?
Did you take 62 or 63?
I took 60.
Tell the values for DIFI.
63.
Minus 10, minus 6, 0, 16, 20, 21.
Wait.
51 is FIDI.
Tell Avnita.
I did wrong. It's minus 21.
No, that's for 50.
Minus 15 for 62.
Minus 15.
Isn't it 50? 62 60 minus 62 should be minus 2, right?
Look at this.
Mommy's trying to kick me.
So it has to be.
Summation
Guys,
FI
it's getting recorded.
I got
It has to be minus 10. How is it 15?
you get this box.
Good. Nitanya, what's your value? Is minus 10?
minus 10 minus 8 0 16 20 21.
So when you added the entire thing, how much you're getting?
57.
You got 57.
Did you put the shirt down?
Now we get stressed.
Do it again. Do it
Guys,
again.
39 is correct. Then what did you do?
You got 75.
Sophie, check it. Check your pockets in there and stuff.
Yeah.
You copied everything. Try to do yourself.
I did everything myself.
Now.
Ask her, I did everything myself.
Yeah.
Yeah, she
Yeah,
copied everything off the
I swear I did drugs doing everything myself.
I'm literally saw me doing everything myself.
Yeah.
What? Did you just say yeah?
No, actually. You could just see him mumbling around the corner. 65, 86.
That's what I did in time after I got you.
Bro, what?
Wait, Sophie, how did you?
Look, how much did you get for FID?
I got DIs this summer.
How is DI? Mom, how is FIDI 30?
It's minus. Now, what did you take as your
Yeah, it is 62.65.
What number though? 63.
Huh?
I took.
Yeah, it is same. It's coming same for both. Safi,
Oh, I took 62.
it's coming same for both. You did not complete your calculation.
I took 62. Firstly got it.
Yeah, I did that only with DI.
Only part I messed up is at FIDI, the addition part of the rest all I did fine.
Even he got 39.
39 is correct. 39 is correct.
I got the sum of DIs.
You did not complete it.
Mom, I got the sum
Mom,
of
I think
DIs.
I just
My division wrong
You got minus 21.
because I got 62.43.
I put 40.
Is it new?
Bro,
Yeah.
bro, Sophie showed me.
13 by 20, not 30.
Sophie,
You got it? Guys, everybody got it? I will give you homework. You need to do homework from NCRT textbook, okay?
Now next term on Monday.
Huh?
that's the sum of
Without the 5, it's okay.
Mom, it's
Yeah.
59. Okay, I was so dumb.
Yeah, Mom, isn't it 3759?
Yeah.
It's 39.
Calculator
Now
does
she's literally using calculators. She probably used it too.
No.
You never know. She
Yeah. Mom, what is this?
What?
I got to
What?
look, 3759 by 60.
3759. Where?
Ma'am, m equals 3759.
Which one did you do?
63
What did you do? 63 plus?
minus 21 by 60.
63 plus, okay, that is 63 minus 21 by 60. 21 can be simplified.
Ma'am, we did simplify.
7 by 20. So 20 is the LCM if you are taking. So this is 6, 12 minus 7 by 20. So 1260 minus 7 is how much? By 20. So how much is this? 2 ones are 2, 6, 2, 1 comes here. So how much is it? 6, then 5.
Yeah, that's what we got. Ma'am, so how is
60
62.63?
62.65 only I wrote here.
Oh, wow, you confused us.
Guys, you are all clear with this? Everybody clear? Guys, the continuity is the step deviation method. Okay? It is continued from shortcut method. what happens in step deviation is your first column is x1 xi, second column is fi, right? Third column is di equal to xi minus a, right?
Yeah.
So now what happens is in step deviation ui gets implemented. Okay, in ui we divide di by h. H is height of your class interval, height of your class.
How do you find the height of it?
Di divided by h.
How many numbers there are?
60 to 100, yeah, that's the difference between 60.
That is at 40. Okay, and next one is fi ui.
So will they tell you solve any method in the example?
That I think in your class test and half yearly and all, they can say you use this method because they expect you to learn all.
What
Okay?
about board? In board will they say any method?
No, they
Ma'am,
will
what
say
is h? How do you find h?
that class interval will be given. Upper limit minus lower limit, right? So based on this, there will be little tweaking in the formula also. What is it? Mean is equal to assumed mean plus what is it? Sigma fi ui divided by sigma fi multiplied by height. Okay? Because here height was getting divided, that is why you are multiplying height here. You are subtracting a, so a is getting added. Just remember that. And also in all your textbook the formula is written like this, which I don't want you people to do, because kids will add it, so please don't follow it. Follow only this. Write your h towards the end. And also if mean is given, first you bring this here. You do mean minus a. That way things become easy. Your calculation will become easy. It's important. Okay, step deviation method is this. So what are the three methods?
Ma'am, that's if they give m, right?
Huh? What?
This is when they give m.
Yeah, that is when they give m. Most of the
Okay.
times it will be like that only, frequency and all those things. So we will do,
So if height is divisible by m minus a, so should we like...
yeah, you can. You just have to make your calculation easier. So kids, first one was easy, sigma fi xi
By sigma.
divided by sigma fi. Then we did sigma fi di.
By sigma
Plus a.
whole
Yeah.
thing plus a.
Fourth one, third one,
A plus
Fi
a plus
a
sigma
plus
fi
Fi ui by f
sigma
into height.
whole thing into h.
very good. These are the three formulas we learned. We are going to do one question using this formula.
What is u?
U is used for last method, step deviation method.
For what was that? What is that?
Well, ma'am, ui
Yeah, but like, what's the
what
u?
is u?
No, that is just a variable.
Then what's the variable?
Then what is it for? Like last
Yeah.
Apparently it's supposed to make things simple.
Like it's just making it simpler now.
How is it making it simple? It's adding
Is it
things.
di? But like...
See, di you subtracted, you made it small. That again you're dividing by h. It will become even more smaller.
Oh, so that... And then we multiply h.
What is that?
You know how...
Sophia?
Last question guys, please do it fast.
Who's that? Say. I'll write the information here and do the thing here.
To use the step deviation or use any.
Yeah, the last method, step deviation method.
Oh my god, there are too many numbers.
What?
I'm not fitting on this
Calm
page.
down.
I'm not writing it here.
Oh my god.
My god.
Now how many? This will at least be second.
Ma'am, so
Ma'am, this is
using
like
what method?
10 numbers.
Last method, step deviation method.
Should this be like?
Ma'am, so
Ma'am, is
DI
this
7 marks?
5.
Oh, ma'am.
5.
Ma'am, that's
Yeah, but it's not even going to be asked though.
Yeah, probably. Probably for like finance.
Ma'am, this is deleted?
yeah.
I don't, they say, but the kids do use this method also. Lot of kids use this method because the numbers become very small.
9. Is that 8? 9. Okay, now I need to do DI.
Yeah.
DI is
What is assumed mean?
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Wait, you go DI and then you do UI, yeah?
Minus 8.
What happened? Tell me.
So,
Yeah, first you do the previous one.
Yeah, okay.
First you do shortcut method, right? You reach till DI. Then UI is equal to DI divided by H.
What's that chicken height?
In this the H will be 10 minus 5, which is 5.
So height of what?
Height of class. This is the class, right?
5 and 10. Yeah.
And what is X?
Well, what is
H is 5 because the class, you know.
so 5?
Yeah.
Not like what if it was like 5, 10, 11? What if it was like 5 and then
It won't.
okay.
It
so
won't be. Classes interval will be proper.
It's UI now, yeah? UI is DI by H. What's H means?
H is 5. 10 minus 5, 15 minus 5, 20 minus
H
15.
is 5. Okay. So, minus 25 by 5.
oh mom, they kept a test. But then they bleed the paper. One guy he did the paper from
Which chapter?
linear equation. He did the paper and he gave it to the whole grade. So they retest.
And the main paper or the
Like a class test.
why? Oh.
Guys, what are you taking assumed mean?
I'm taking 30.
Values? Huh? No, not given.
Shouldn't the mean be 25?
You can take 25 or 30, right? Both are coming in the center.
But then the middle is not adding.
Okay, I got this. Now I need to make FIUI. Wow, FIUI. That's
Huh?
20 is this thing.
What's UI again?
UI is
Is
DI by
DI
H.
minus 5 something?
DI by H.
43 into minus 20. Wow.
What is that shit? How do you find that again?
It's the height, man. Height of the class. So like 10 minus 5.
5.
Minus 860.
10
Then 75 into minus 15.
This is 10 minus 5. So 10 minus 5 is 5. That's what I'm doing. 10 minus 5 is 5. 15 minus 10 is 5. 5, 5, 5, 5. So, ma'am, does the... Okay, you can just cancel it.
No, this one no, right? I forgot.
So it's minus 25, right?
So minus 25. Minus 25 divided by H. That will be minus 5, right? Minus 20 divided by 5. Minus 4. Minus 15 minus 3. Minus 2 minus 1. So this will be 1, 2, 3, 4. So this, no, that's also not cancelling.
I got everything. Now I need to. Yeah, I found out everything.
You found everything? FIUI.
Now M is equal to A plus sigma
FIUI is how much?
Huh?
FIUI.
I have to add them.
Hmm?
Oh, I didn't add them.
Which one?
How did you find it then?
Which one need to add?
FIUI.
I
I didn't add FI.
Huh?
I didn't UI. What's FI total?
Answer.
FI total. I did do that.
What is coming FIUI? Whoever has taken 30 as the assumed mean.
FIUI equal to 384.
384. And what's FI? What's FI?
UI.
Oh yeah, FI.
15 into
FI
7.
is equal to 384. The whole thing is 210.
No, here what is it? Minus 100.
That is minus 5.
Minus 100, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Minus 860.
Yeah.
Minus 860.
Why do we have to do that?
FIUI you need na.
Mom, what's 75? That is 87.
92.
So what's A?
860. Why is it 860?
Because it's 43 into 20.
Huh?
Yeah, it is 8. Minus 5.
UI na.
Ah,
So this and this, right?
Oh, yeah. I made the same.
Minus 860.
yeah, see?
172.
Even you are minus 860.
He's doing something wrong.
No,
Even I got 860. Yeah.
43 into 4, right,
but
guys?
how's it 4?
Because
It's FIUI.
you also got na. FIUI.
Oh, shit. That's 100, yeah? Or 160?
That is
Yeah, mom is right. Mom is right.
What's the next one?
3 into 75.
What's the next one?
I'm doing it. 15, 22.
Yeah, I got everything right except this one. 1, 2. Shit.
14 for 113.
I'm missing it on this whole call.
Do it, guys.
Mom, I have a question.
And I should get the total.
People
Sorry.
work in jobs, they use calculators, so like why Mom, why?
It will change.
Yeah, you know,
This is not for usage. Actually, whatever you are learning is to increase your logical thinking and or how fast you can get and all those things. Chat GPT.
It's going to exist even if we grow up.
Do it fast.
they'll be better friends with ChatGPT.
Do it.
Really, are you trying to get one of you at maths?
Yes.
Wow. Today I have to get that one out.
Carry on. Are you all values correct?
This is all wrong, but I should get the total, so I'm just working on the total. Because then I have to readjust them next time. So 60. 20, 40. If I didn't know.
Wait, what? 3 to 4? 3 to 4, right?
Oh, great. How did you get to this?
3 to 8.
And 6
Do.
into 4 is also 24. Right?
It's 384 divided by 106. Into 5, sorry. No, it's not already did. I just did this, 30 plus this into 5, and then total is. That's correct. Which I think is wrong. You can't add this and multiply. Okay, see,
So we have to add all of the values now. This is so
so
good.
you can't cut this and this. You can't cut this plus.
Is FIUI
How-
701.5?
Do we have to find the total of UI?
This is 2100.
What is your values here?
Are we going on this?
What did you add? FIUI.
What FIUI? Because I had good stuff.
FIUI. Really? I got minus 5.
What did you
How
get?
did we get
Minus 5.
.5?
I get 5. I don't know.
7
There's no decimal. How do you get 0.5?
I got you. You added these. Yeah, I added these two. I did one.
Yes, ma'am did all the work. Half the work, basically. This whole column is wrong. So I'm doing it.
598. I did something. How much is 598?
What?
FIUI. Is it minus?
FIUI, I don't have it with me.
Is it plus or minus?
Don't choose.
I'll do it in the back. It's too much maths. 1 7
No break your game.
2 5
No joke.
1 3 4 7 2 39 18 20
Minus 5.
622 minus 5 plus 2 7 7 plus 4 is 11
Mom, 590.
13 plus
What,
9
this one?
is 22 20 plus 8 30 38
Minus 500.
10 12
He's like a without
15
I'm too lazy, okay?
25
Mom, it's
26
590.
I don't know, here it's not given.
Oh, yeah.
6 30
Yeah, I will change it. If I draw divided by
608
Huh?
Is it 608?
it's 598 minus 590.
It's 608.
No, no, ask him which one he took.
Oh, which one?
What is your...
At the 30 is right. It's 608.
Minus 590.
Oh shit, there is minus in this.
You know, I was doing it and he said something like 8 and I wrote that and I got everything wrong. So I was like, okay.
So you were copying it.
I am not copying.
So what you get?
Minus 592 plus
Thanks.
the answer 22.3.
How much calculator you used? Don't say your answer. It's void.
It's a shame.
Oh, what's the formula?
Ma'am, it's only for this part. So
Mom, what's the
just
formula?
you
F-I-U-I
want
plus 8
We did the calculation for the addition.
H is only with sigma,
I don't talk to people.
FIUI by
Oh
sigma.
yeah, sure. You were using yours. As if you
No, I didn't bring my phone.
Yeah, but you used it on someone else.
From next class, Akshita, next class you are not getting the phone.
Okay.
How do I solve this now?
Say one person uses, everybody starts using.
Yeah. Akshita influenced me.
Yeah, no.
2992.
Okay, ma'am, I'll do it on mine.
F-I, what was F-I?
Now how do you solve this? Now how do you solve this? Like,
Mom, I forgot to add F-I.
it's 384.
Time.
I hope it's right.
Yeah, that's
No, it's fine, leave it now.
that is correct.
Now how do you solve this? Like,
This part I'm also doing. Okay, wait.
because you can take LCM, yeah?
Yeah, let us just do this.
I'll just take LCM for this part. But then you have to multiply 598 with 384. I don't want to do 6.
No.
7.78.
She really can.
105. Huh?
Ma'am, wait.
Please do that. Please do that. I think it's a good idea.
I think you shoot me and get me checked.
How do you get me to shoot you?
I'll get Jaden to shoot you.
Okay, enough.
I'll ask Jaden to shoot you, but he does not like you.
5.
I'm not solving this.
Ma'am, will this even come? How will
220.
Is that what
it's minus 220.
You are okay.
It's minus 220. What do you?
What's the need to seem like that?
Minus 134.
My
Minus
whole calculation went wrong.
72.
Scream in your head.
Why did I got the total wrong?
Why were you screaming?
You are very beautiful. That's why.
Mom, can you just please solve it?
What did you get in the total?
You screaming.
Minus 598.
By 384.
So
Ma'am,
30 minus
5 by
590
384.
into 5.
Yeah, that.
Well, what do you get after that?
30.
Wait, I'm doing it.
Don't go by her. You do yourself.
Ma'am, I did like everything myself. I just like
Mom, see.
yeah. How do you solve this part?
Mom, see.
Hmm.
1.55 into 5 is equal to
We
1.7.
multiply this.
Which one?
The bracket solved is 1.5.
Which Asha, you divided it?
Yeah. It's 1.55
Wait for 2 minutes now.
How do you solve this? I have no clue.
2.
Very easy. Ma'am, you try that.
Ma'am,
you're making me do all this.
You should seriously give a calculator.
In the exam.
Mine was at 22.2. Life was
Ma'am, what table are you using?
What is it?
Two.
You can't cut 299 to anything.
Yeah, but divide that. Yeah. I did my part. Yeah, I did my part.
You forgot addition, man.
You cannot divide 299 by anything. So you just 45, 49, 1, 4, 30.
Ma'am, see how big this is. I mean, it's not that big. Look, I was doing it.
How much did you take?
I took 30.
And I got this 30 plus 1 because you can't cut 299 and then 190.
I gave up.
Right?
Wait, ma, wait.
Now you divide.
30 minus.
30 plus 1, 4, 30 plus 1, 4, 9, 5 by 190.
How is that the average?
You used calculator?
I didn't like this running.
Your phone is charged.
Huh?
And then you say I didn't do anything myself.
1.5 and then I will. Okay guys, let's go.
Huh?
It's 31, so it's fine.
How much?
22.21.
Calculator, right?
She did it, I calculated.
Ma'am,
You multiply